Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. This is Scott and Dawn from Meaty Cat Media. Dawn, what are we making today?
Crowd pleaser cheesy potatoes.
Alright, let's get started.
So I just sprayed the pan with Pam. So we need 1 package of the shredded hash browns. They should be thawed, so I thawed them out a little bit.
We'll just break them up a little bit. Guys, you are absolutely going to love this. This is my absolute favorite dish. And it's good for all occasions.
So all I do is preheat the oven to 350. We have our hash browns, and then we need 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 2 cups or 2 of the 8-ounce shredded cheddar. I'm going to use 1 triple cheddar and 1 mild cheddar. So just sprinkle that on top.
Cheese, 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 give me more cheese.
And then you want 4 tablespoons of margarine cut up. So 4 tablespoons is a half a stick, and I already cut them in slices. So, and then we need 1 can of cream of chicken. I just grabbed the unsalted. So 1 can of cream of chicken. Then we need 2 cups of sour cream, which is 16 ounces or 2 cups. So I'm just gonna put the whole container in. You can mix it as you go or halfway through. I just try to throw some ingredients in and then mix. And then you can use 1/4 to 1/2 cup chopped onion. Or you can just use onion salt if you don't want to use chopped onions. And then just salt and pepper. I just throw a little bit on top. I like a lot of pepper. A little less salt. So just... And then I'm going to mix it up again a little bit more. And then once it's all mixed, I'll chop the other half of the butter, and then I normally just throw it on top. So then we're just going to throw this in the oven for 45 minutes.
And we'll be right back.
So this is the way the potatoes are supposed to look.
Well, let's scoop some out and take a closer look, shall we? Oh, look at that. All that butter on top. Oh, yeah, do a little swirl. Oh, look at that. All that cheese. Oh, that's so good. Man, you really gotta try this. By far my favorite. Very, very good. Okay, gang. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like these videos, please give us a like below. We'd appreciate it. And also, please consider subscribing to our channel. It's a little thing for you, but it's really, really big for us. Thanks.